Okay guys, so here's how I set hyperlapse using Sony a7S III with 20mm focal length. So you need to set your camera into SNQ. Yeah. Okay, you need to set first. You need to set first SNQ, then set your camera into 24 fps, then 4 fps frame rate, or if you want 8 fps, but now I'm using 4 fps with 24 record frame rate. Okay, yung